Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be sharing my best blowout routine yet, featuring the camera blow dry spray. So if you're interested in seeing the process, just keep on watching. It's wash day, so I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. Off camera, I wear my natural hair stretched most of the time. I don't always use heat to stretch my natural hair, but lately when I have, this camera blow dry spray has significantly cut down my blow drying time to 15 minutes. This product claims to decrease blow dry time by 50%, to detangle, smooth, and soften, to eliminate frizz and resist humidity, all while providing thermal protection up to 428 degrees. To blow dry my hair, I'll be using the Revlon one-step hair dryer, so I'm going to let y'all watch the process and follow up at the end with my results.
This is flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone. She shall be called woman. It was all woman when you saw me. Any real people in this room?
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby.
So these are my results. I hope y'all enjoyed this updated blowout routine and that it was helpful. Let me know if you've tried the camera blow dry spray below and how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.
Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away.